I just picked up a pair of OEM Wolfsburg Edition black trim lower side grills to replace my current chrome trim here, lower side grills. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I'll be replacing the lower side grills. Now let's just get straight to it and get these guys replaced. It's pretty simple to replace these guys. You only have one screw right here on the inner end of the grill and a bunch of tabs all around holding in the grill. So let's go ahead and get this done. Here is that one screw. Look right down there, and it's a little Phillips screw. So remove that small little Phillips screw, and then carefully just pop it out. There it is. Now to install the new one, insert it into this slot here first with this little tab, and then just carefully pop it in. Now just screw down with that small Phillips screw. And there it goes. And here's the difference between the chrome on the passenger side and the black on the driver's side. I like it much better. Now let's do the exact same process for the passenger side. Remove that single Phillips screw that holds in the grill. Grab the grill from here and carefully just pull and pop it out. Great, I just broke a tab. It's held in pretty tight on this side. Insert the tab on this end first and then carefully just pop it in, aligning them in all of the tabs. Install your small Phillips screwdriver. And installation is complete. And here's what it looks like where both sides were replaced with the black trim grill. Make sure to go check out the intro video for the MK5 Jetta right here, and you can subscribe to my channel right here. Thanks.